Curious lang po ako dun sa main goal or yung heart po ng pagpapalabas nitong play. And alin po yung nauna, yung po bang piece or yung tema at bakit po break po yung napili ninyong format po?
Hi, Christine, Jonas. Maraming salamat sa tanong. I think one of the goals of this play, particularly ni Herbino, ang aming director, is to, yes, contribute as Perry had said earlier na kailangan nating ma-memorialize ang ating history, ma-diversify ang ating memory, but minsan kasi, especially in the space of theater, may tendency tayo na ma-sensationalize, right? And ma-spectacularize because it has that, vulnerability when you are on a stage, when you have lights, when you have costumes, props, songs, and all that. Nakita namin na magandang forma at akmang-akma si Breck dito dahil hindi siya nahihiyang basagin yung tinatawag nating fourth wall. No? At i-remind yung mga manonood, even yung mga nagtatanghal, na isa itong pagtatanghal, right? And there's nothing to be sort of spectacularized in the performance. Okay? At I think one of the also great characteristics of Brecht theater is that it allows itself to make fun of itself. Because again, right, theater is quite the funny industry, right? And it has to be reminded of that, to not be quote unquote full of itself, if that makes sense. Yeah.